Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Facebook on PC or laptop. If you're using PC or any laptop and then you want to use Facebook on your computers, let's see how you can do that. So you can easily use your Facebook account on your computer. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new account using your computer. Just open your browser. In my case, I'm gonna open my Chrome browser here, and here you have to simply search for Facebook, or you can search for facebook.com to get the website directly. And here, just open the first website. Now on this screen, if you already have an account, so you can easily log in your account here. Just enter your phone number, your password, and your account will be logged in. Or if you don't have any account, just tap on this create a new account option. And here you have to try to create a new account. So let's say I'm gonna enter the information there. So I have already entered this information here. You just have to enter your name, your first name, your surname here, then enter your date of birth, your gender, your mail address or your phone number which you're trying to use, and then enter your account password. You just have to try to create a new account password here and then tap on this sign up option. It will create a new Facebook account for you. So you must have to wait for a couple of minutes until this page loads. And it's done. You just have to enter the code sent on your mail address. So let's say I'm gonna open my Gmail here. Just a new tab, tap on this Gmail option, and it will open your Gmail. And here, just open the Facebook notification, and then you can directly copy your code from here. And once you have copied, you can easily paste it on the screen, and then tap on this continue option. Now you can see that you have successfully confirmed your account. You will use this email address to log in. Now your account has been created. You can easily use the same Gmail address or email address to log in your account whenever you want to. Just have an OK option here, and your account is ready now. Just tap on OK to remember your password. If you tap on OK, so it will never ask you to enter password whenever you try to log in again. Now here your account is ready now. You just have to add friends just using this friend option here. You can directly search for any friend or you can see suggestions over here. Or you can also create a post if you want to. Just select photo, emoji or live video from here if you want to. Then let's say I'm gonna select photos or videos. Just drag and drop any photo video from your desktop or from your PC. So here you just need to enter anything if you want to make a post. Let's say I'm gonna enter this one, just tap on post and it will be posted. You can easily use all the features that are available on phone. There's you can see this saved memories. You can also go tap on the see more and you will get further options here. So in this way, you can easily create a new account on Facebook on your PC or on your computer. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.